Okay, in this video I want to show you how to quickly and easily create short videos using only text. So first of all, go to this link. So it's a Google Colab, and if you're not familiar with using Google Colabs, all I need to know for this video is that you need to have a Google account for this and to sign in. It's free and it's pretty straightforward to use. And also, if you want to read more about text-to-video synthesis, there's a Hugging Face page for this with more information on how it's achieved and what's possible. But for the sake of this video, to keep it short, I'm gonna skip that and just go straight to generating. So once you're here, just click on the first cell, check your GPU, and the Google servers will assign a free GPU for you. So wait for that to complete. Now we can see that Google has assigned a GPU for us, Tesla T4, and keep in mind that with paid versions you are getting access to more faster and better GPUs. So now once we have a GPU assigned for us, we need to go down and click on the install dependency cell and wait for it to complete. Okay, the dependencies have been installed. That took 23 seconds, and let's scroll down and click on the setup pipeline cell. The cell has also been completed, 28 seconds, not bad. And now all that's left to do is scroll down to the generate your video tab, and here you can see there's an example already for us of a Spider-Man chatting with a llama here. So let's make it our own, and for this example I guess I'm gonna use a handshake between a human and a robot and see what we can get out of it. So I have my prompt typed in and I'm gonna click generate the video. Okay, that didn't take too long, almost 1 minute. And now all that's left to do is to click on the display the video tab and see the results. And here we go. This is the result, a handshake of a human and a robot. As you can see, there's a Shutterstock watermark here, mainly because the images that this model has been trained on are taken from the Shutterstock database. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna be playing around with this collab a little bit and see what I can get out of it. Alright, so I made a few videos and been playing around a little bit. So this is how you create short videos using only text. And as you can see, the videos aren't that great yet, but keep in mind that a year ago we had images that were like this, and now we have like realistic, really high quality art and realistic images generated by AI. So I'm pretty sure that as with images, the text to video technology will improve at a incredible rate, and 1 year from now we're gonna get realistic video and video art using only text prompts. So that's it for this video. If you find it helpful in any way, please consider subscribing. I'm gonna be posting more videos on these new kind of technologies popping up. And that's it, and good luck.